na nag-a-attract din sa kanila? Or what do you think would keep that partnership with the band?
In my opinion, it's very much the friendship part. Kasi we believe na, yun nga, kailangan meron talagang deep connection si management with the artist. So for us, kasi we cherish yung kung ano mang connection namin with the artist, and as best as we can, iniiwasan talaga namin masira yung connection namin with them. So for us, siguro, yung attraction talaga yun talaga. Kaya talagang ang seamless ng transition namin, yung conversation namin, everything was just go. And then, curious ako, wala talaga kami naging issues kasi sobrang friends lang talaga kami after this. You know.
It was very genuine attractions of friendship and everything. With the band also admittedly say na makakulit sila ng by Sir Ian. How do you manage? And even knowing that they have schedules outside of music, as it was mentioned during the introduction, how do you keep them moving towards one direction?
As far as now, wala pa naman silang din pinapakitang kakulitan sa akin. Nahihiya pa siguro sila sa akin. So maaga pa, pero it's of course, syempre, like I said, of course we're gonna work around their schedules and everything na go na gusto nilang i-go as best as we can, we're gonna support them. Of course, kung ano yung relations namin with Yellow Room Music, we're definitely gonna keep it attached, no? So, kung anong kailangan nila sa amin, we're definitely just going to ride along with them. And of course, kung ano mga mapro-provide namin to them, go lang kami full force. So, yun, yeah.
Okay po, kahit maaga pa, meron na bang mga plans to appear on TV, for example, in TV network kung sakaling magkaroon po tayo ng possible collaboration?
Of course, welcome kami. So, for example, kay DFTV. So, kami dyan. Of course, nandito din sila ng 25 and of course, ABS and everybody na kung sinong willing to have under 18 and of course, kahit sino talent ng OY Records and Entertainment, we're willing to collaborate. So, please just let us know. I think magka-transition na kami soon into like every contact namin, bibigyan na namin kay Andre. So, seamless transition tayo. Just let us know kung meron tayong mga collaborations. We're very open to everything.
Definitely po. Well, communication open po. For the band, ano malala myself, and iba yung genre natin siguro. And how has the band or the music of the band changed since? Are there any plans of maybe tweaking or catering more to the younger generation's taste in music?
Hindi. Ano po ako, with all honesty and all respect, isa sa reason kung ba't tumagal kami ng 15 years because hindi kami nag-depend sa genre ng music. So, marami pong managers before na nagsabi sa amin na isasign namin kayo sa ganitong label pero dapat acoustic na kayo. Ilalagay namin kayo sa ganito pero dapat iba na yung music. Tapos ginagawa nila example yung ibang bands. Kasi ganito, sumikat na sila because nagpalitan sila ng music genre. Pero parang okay na kami sumikat basta nagagawa namin yung gusto namin music. Because after all, that's legacy. Diba? Parang mas masarap maging ikaw. Yan. Kaya at least nagagawa mo yung gusto mong gawin. Pero very much influence, nakikinig naman kami ng mga bagong bands. Yun yan, kahit paano lang, influence din nila yung music namin. Pero ang maganda dito is bumabalik kami sa roots ng pop-punk. Tsaka, yun lang.
Pagdating sa genre, we are open as long as yun na-feel namin. Kumbaga, na-feel namin medyo mellow, okay lang naman. Pero yun na-feel namin, not because na ibang tao sabihin sa amin, oh, gawin niyo to, gawin niyo yan.
super agree ako sa dalawang nagsalita ng kabanda ko sa lahat. Pero yun nga, mas gugustuhin ko rin na mapunta ko yung feel ko na ito yung ginagawa namin at kami yun talaga. Parang ano lang naman yan pinag-is, parang artista yan, pinag-is ka lang ng ganitong nung damit mo pero hindi mo gusto. Pero sikat ka. So walang pinagbago yan sa akin. Kaya okay lang din, basta as long na masaya kami. Actually, yung mga nangyayari sa amin, parang dream na rin naman namin to dati. Kahit maliit na bagay ito, pero dream na rin namin. Pero nagagawa namin. So, one step at a time, unti-unti ng step, pero at least masaya kami. Pero hindi naman sa lahat ng genre or sa mga usong genre ngayon. Okay naman talaga yun. Pero kami, ano talaga nasa dugo namin kaya kami nabuhat tumagal.
Pero ginawa namin yun. Ginawa namin sa second album, kwento ko lang. Kasi at that time, teleserye. Kwento ko lang. Yun. Ang advice sa amin before is dapat katulog kayo ni Moira. Paano ang gagawin yun? Mag-iingay namin. Tapos katulog namin si Moira. So, ginawa namin yung teleserye. Mellow siya sa first. Tapos, pinagtripan lang namin yung song. Tapos yun yung pinakamalakas na song namin sa Spotify ngayon. Kaya nakakatawa. Pero ang kwento ko na lang din, kasi pakikinggan siya ng record label. So may approval sa kanila na ano yung magiging direction ng album, syempre. Sabi ko, hindi nila pakikinggan yan after the second chorus. Gawin natin siyang mellow ng buo hanggang chorus lang. Tapos pagpasok ng second, after the first chorus, nakakaka na. At yung hanggang doon nga lang pinakinggan nila. So, nakatawid siya, nagulit sila, kiingay ng dulo. Pero, di ba, follow your heart, follow your guts, and right decision.
And pagdating sa uso, willing to wait naman po kami kung ganito yung mga uso. Willing to wait. Malay mo dumating yung time na gusto na nila ng mga maiingay na bata, di ba? So, yun.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Ms. Clara of DATV. We're down to the last two sets of questions kasi meron pa may performance sila. Okay, so our second to the last is Danilo Breño of Vloggers Philippines.
Hello, good evening. First of all, congratulations po sa Android TV for this milestone. First time ko pakinggan yung kanta niyo kanina. I'm a big fan of Against the Current. If you're familiar, parang medyo vibes siya. I would like to commend yung banda at the same time Miss Jella for that amazing voice. Siyempre, nabanggit kanina ni Sir Ian na magkaka-church mate kayo. Kamusta naman ang relationship niyo kay Lord?
Ayun na sila lang nila Popoy. Ako kasi taga-Cavite kasi ako eh. Bali, pag may gig kami, nagbubuo ako ng flight pa Manila.